the list of movies of learn from my mistakes of how not to kill fish, this is another story I made, another mistake I made. It's not unintentional. What happened is this heater, inline heater, was connected directly to here. Okay, a little short. So once in a while, from all the vibration, it will separate a little bit and shut down the heater. I come in the morning and the water temperature is 60, 65. And that's not good in the winter. You know, you want the constant temperature. So I came with the great idea of putting an extension cord. Okay, extend it so that this is not too stretched and separates here. Now, originally this was lower, and for some reason there was a leak here, and this got water, which tripped the fuse and shut down all electricity to this electric box because of water leak. No air, no heating. No heating is no problem. Fish can tolerate. It's not gonna, water is not gonna freeze in the greenhouse. The greenhouse is heated. But no air. I came in the morning and the fish were floating. I lost 30 fishes, each one about a pound. Beautiful fish, all gone to garbage. Okay, so if you add an extension cord, then make sure it's elevated like this so that there's no way it can get any water to it and you know, trip the fuse box. That's one. Number two, have a backup air pump that's not connected to the same box, not connected to the same circuit. So if I were to do this again, I have another electric outlet over there. I will run a backup pump to here. This way, if this shut down for any, you know, short circuit, then at least I don't care for the water circulation. I don't care for the heater, as long as I have air pump running all the time. You cannot grow fish in a system like this, closed system, without air running 24 hours a day. So watch out. The bottom line is watch out for how you plumb or how you connect your system so that the outlets are above the water level, so that there's no splash, there's no leak, there's nothing that can affect and then make a closed circuit and shut down the fuse box.